everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is HBS. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to the family. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know what I feel about you. I love you so much. Thank you for always coming back. Okay guys, so today we're going to be discussing body enhancement, like in general. So for a while now, we have been trying to improve on ourselves. We have been doing trainings and we have been making research, and we are here to give you the feedback. Okay, so today I'll be discussing about body enhancement, our improved recipes. So I just want to share with you guys our improved recipes, what you can add together to make your body enhancement products very safe and effective. Like this one, ogbonge recipe, very effective recipe. So if this is what you're interested in, you want to stay tuned to this channel, and please subscribe. If you do not subscribe and turn on the notification bell, you will not get a notification whenever we make an upload like this, and you might be missing out on important information. So you want to consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time there's a video coming from me. Yeah, I want to remind you guys about our online training, which is always ongoing. We have skincare classes and we also have body enhancement classes ongoing, and right now we're teaching these improved recipes. We have so many recipes, like more than 10 recipes that we're teaching our students, you understand. So we improve every day and we have new recipes to teach students. So if you are not a DIY person, you want the professional thing, so you can just chat me up with the number shown on the screen, the register for our online classes. I can assure you that you will not regret it. It's an intensive classes and everything will be taught thoroughly. We don't keep any secrets. We tell you everything we know. So guys, let's get into the video. We were talking about some natural roots, herbs and spices that we can put together to give us a very good body enhancement oil. Okay, so I have a list of the roots, herbs and spices. So I want you to know that some of these spices are actually good at, you know, ingesting them. Like when you eat them, when you take it in, that is when they work very well. Why some especially the what's it called, the roots, you have to infuse them into a body oil before you can get the best of it. And infusion comes in different ways. You can do hot press, you can do cold press. Cold press is when you infuse your oil and keep it for like 4 weeks or 8 weeks before you use it, while the hot press is when you put it on a double boiler and try to infuse it into oil for like an hour or so. Okay, so I'll just be mentioning the herbs and the spices that we can put together to give us the body enhancement oil. Okay, so this oil is really going to enhance your backside. Like, it's going to enhance your backside. This is a very correct recipe. This is an improved recipe. It's different from the one that we have on our channel. If you check my channel, you will see that I have a body enhancement oil that I video that I made a while ago, and that recipe too works, but this recipe is an improved recipe. Either of the recipes, you can actually watch that video to understand what I'm talking about, because it's an intensive video and I actually showed everything in that video. I'll be dropping the link on the description bar, and I'll also be dropping the recipe on the screen somewhere in the video. I'll also be talking about how to apply this butt oil on your skin. So just stay tuned, do not skip the video and watch to the end. So right now on my list I have cola oil. What I call cola oil is actually she gets, and there is no way you can find cola. You have to make that oil by yourself. So this is how to go about it. When you get your cola, you have to remove the back of the cola. Then the inside of the cola, that is the cola itself, the whitish or creamish part of the cola, you're going to grate it or shred it or dice it, whichever way is convenient for you, into a tray and hair dry. So after it's properly dried, like you cannot infuse any herb that is not properly dried. When it is properly dried, then you can infuse it with your oil for a certain period of time, like 4 weeks, or if you're not in a hurry, you can infuse it for like 8 weeks. So that is how I get my own cola oil. So that is that about cola oil. And the next thing on my list is akpi oil. We all know akpi seed that is very good in body enhancement. Okay, so if you want to make your akpi oil, what you do is you get your akpi seed, you make sure that it is dried, then you have to shred it or dice it or grind it or whichever into a tiny pieces so that you can get the best of it. You infuse the akpi oil, so infuse it into any oil that you want to use. Next thing on my list now is fish oil. Okay, so um basically what I do, I buy fish oil. I do not make it by myself, so I buy that fish oil from I have a supplier which I buy the fish oil from. So you buy that fish oil, is kind of expensive a bit, but it's worth the money because it's really very effective. So you get your fish oil. That is the number 3 thing on my list. The next thing on my list now is soy oil. We all know soybeans. Some people call it soya beans, but generally it's called soy beans. So you know these soybeans, you can actually make the oil by yourself or you can buy it. Sometimes I buy and sometimes I make it by myself. So making that soy oil, you also get the seed. The seed is always in a dried form. You tell these people that grind things into dried powder to grind it for you, then you infuse it, then you get the oil out of it. That is how whenever I don't want to buy the soy processed one, that is how I go about getting my soy oil. So that is how to go about the soy oil. So the next thing on my list now is maca. We all know maca. So maca is really very good when it comes to body enhancement, and like I said, that some of these roots, herbs and spices are best when you ingest. Okay, so soy, like I said, and maca is one of the ingredients in body enhancement that, from my research, I found out that it is better for you to ingest them than to just use them on the outer parts. Do you understand? So you get your maca oil from the market. Please, it's better for you to buy the maca oil because there is a lot of fake out there. So you get, so the next thing on my list right now is macadamia oil. So macadamia oil is really very good, fantastic. It is an expensive one, but it is worth the money because it does a really great job for you when it comes to body enhancement. So macadamia oil, you have to buy that from, your organic store, or just Google it, you see macadamia oil, then you buy that, you keep that aside too. So the next thing on my list now is white yam. Okay, so there is a powder that they call white yam. Maybe very soon I'm going to make a video showing all these ingredients. So right now I'm in my office and I don't have access to those herbs to show to you, so I'm going to make another video to show you this herb so you can know what they look like. So there's something they call white yam. White yam is really very good too when it comes to body enhancement. So now white yam, you get the powder, then you also infuse it like the way you infuse every other herb to get the oil. Then the next thing on my list is donkwai. There's something they call donkwai. Donkwai is really very good too when it comes to body enhancement. You can also infuse it, or you can add it to the herb that you're gonna ingest, whichever way works for you. So donkwai is another one on the list. Okay guys, so another one on the list, which is the last, is red clover. So we all know what red clover is, and if you don't know what red clover is, I'll be dropping the pictures on the screen so you can see, or I make another video showing you what these herbs and spices, what they really look like. So red clover too is very good when you're making your body enhancement products. Moving on, let me just explain to you how you combine these oils and how to use them. Ones that are powdered form before infusion, with the ones that are in powdered form before infusion, if you can get the ones that are not in powder form, it is better for you, because when you're straining it, you have issues with the ones that are in powder form. So the ones that are in powder form, when you want to strain it, you have to use a cheesecloth, because this product I'm talking about is going to be a leave-on product, leave-on or leave-in, that you're going to leave on your body. You're not going to wash it off, so it's going to be a leave-on product. So you wouldn't want particles and other, and you're going to use it in a massage way, or I don't know, you're going to massage it into your skin, so you wouldn't want particles in it. So the ones that are in powder form, you're going to get a very tiny cheesecloth, like, or a coffee strainer, perfect to strain out the oil so that you don't have any particles. Then the other ones, when you infuse them, you just turn everything together in a container, you mix very, very well. And then lastly, if it is optional, you can just add like 0.05% of vitamin E, and please get the original vitamin E. You can get the capsules, so you can get the ones that comes in capsule form. You can get the capsule and just add 0.05 of any quantity you're making into this oil. Then you start using. Show you that within the space of 7 days you start seeing visible results if you go with this recipe. This is a tested and trusted recipe that I'm telling you guys. You have to try this and come back and give me your reviews. So guys, that is that about body enhancement. And what I have been talking about since is how to enhance and increase your backside. This recipe is for enhancing and increasing your backside. I wouldn't want my video to be flagged, so I just don't want to talk much about, but you all know that when I talk about body enhancement, it's either I'm talking about your front side or your back side. So this video is basically on enhancing and increasing your backside. If you find this content helpful in any way, please thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, and do well to turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time there's a video coming from me. See you in my next video. Bye.